Welcome to Six Sigma Online Certifications. We are on the topic Six Sigma Fundamentals, Team Decision Making Tools, Part 2. In the Part 1, we studied about brainstorming. Now in this video, we'll discuss about nominal group technique, multi-voting and effective team meetings. When we have many dominant members and vocal members in the team, so that it does not allow others to speak, our typical brainstorming fails. Also, when we want ideas on some controversial issues like sex abuse or a misbehavior of a senior management group person, the non-verbal method becomes better for generating ideas, and this non-verbal method is called as nominal group technique. In this, we discuss first, leader will explain the problem and issue to everybody what we are discussing about. Then team is given 10 to 15 minutes to think and write down the ideas. During this period, no verbal communication is allowed between the members. Members paste their ideas on board where everyone can see after this 15 minutes. Then each member can one by one read out the ideas. But if the issue is controversial, we should ask leader to read all the ideas, and evaluation of ideas during this period is not allowed. After this, we should clarify ideas, what does each idea mean, and this completes our nominal group technique, a very effective method when members need to be involved. Another method, which is called multi-voting technique, is used by the team for shortlisting few ideas or solutions based on majority opinion, and it is very useful when participation is very critical in implementation of the ideas and resources are limited. So in such cases, multi-voting is very good method. Large number of ideas are generated and explained to team members that these are the ideas generated. Also, the problems is restated to each team member so that while prioritizing, the focus is given to the right issue. Team members are asked to identify top 5 or 10 items, and then each member ranks one as least important and identify top items, or distribute standard value for giving the weight to each idea. The one with highest mark or rank or weight is used as the priority item for action. Let us try to understand this by practical examples by rank method. For example, we have identified a problem why machine setting gets disturbed, and we have identified large number of ideas, and for example, these top 5-6 ideas are considered for ranking method. So the ideas are new operator, vibration due to loose nut, wrong assembly, run at speed higher than the rated, governor is faulty. So each member is asked to give what is the reason which is most often and biggest reason for the machine setting getting disturbed. So each member starts giving 1 to 5 value to each idea. The one which gets 1 is least important for them. The one which is given 5 is the most important. Then we add up and we found that run at speed higher than rated is considered as highest, and vibration due to loose nut is considered as second highest. But one very interesting phenomenon has happened during this, where member number 6 has given rating 5 to first reason, which is new operator, while others have considered it as not so important. This exception should not be left like this, and we should initiate discussion why the member 6 is considering this to be most important one. And sometimes we have seen, because of the certain added information brought by member 6, even the other members can change their ratings. So it is very important that the exceptions are discussed. Same way, when the weight method is used, each member is given, for example, $100 and asked to distribute based on the importance of the cause, and each member is giving the dollars to each cause, such that dollar sum of each member's ratings is constant. This method is also very effective in identifying, and we see in this case also 385 is the sum, and run with highest speed is considered as highest, and vibration due to loose nut is second highest, and exception again is by member 6. We should also, again I will repeat that don't let this exception go. Try to achieve consensus why this member is thinking by getting more information on this. The last tool on decision making by team is effective team meetings, which is a mean of communicating among the team members for effectively taking projects forward. The first and most important thing is setting a prior agenda of the team meeting, where subjects are defined and the time is allotted for each subject. Presenter or who is going to bring the information is fixed, and scope is clarified for each topic. The second important thing is the meeting facilities like meeting room, video conference for virtual members is arranged, and it does not become a hassle in conducting a meeting or waste time. Minutes of decisions and actions should be recorded for each meeting. Accountability should be fixed. The minute should also cover who are the attendees, what are the decisions taken, responsibilities of the action, and the further discussion items for which additional data is needed and what data is needed. Review the progress of decisions and action. Every meeting should have first agenda as review the progress of the last decisions taken, and also review the project progress for various milestones in terms of green, yellow, red, that are they on the time and are they happening the way we wanted, and risk mitigation plans should be made and recorded. Thank you very much. For testing your knowledge on this video or for Six Sigma certifications, visit leandigit.com. For further knowledge on this topic, please subscribe our channel.